Here's the before. All right, see, customer had old Rubicon sticker. There is no decal or vinyl right now installed. This is just the old glue, the adhesive from it after being sunburnt for so long. And no matter what you do to it, she will not budge out. She is on there. Okay guys, here is the after. All right, we have now let it soak in some product. All right, y'all know what that is. And after it's soaked for a little bit, we hit it with our rubber ball. All right, little decal remover that you can find anywhere. And this is the finished product. We've done a dual color hood side on Johnny's Jeep, and that is what it looks like after.